Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, lived a curious teenager named Alex. One day, while exploring the forest, Alex stumbled upon a hidden portal glowing with magical light. Filled with excitement and curiosity, Alex stepped through the portal and found themselves in a breathtaking land full of wonder, Fairyland. In Fairyland, Alex was greeted by friendly fairies, who welcomed them with open arms. The fairies took Alex on a tour through the enchanted forest, where trees whispered secrets and flowers sang melodies.